Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the easy cable stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and the back post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 5. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. Then you'll make 1 double crochet into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Now we're ready to start our sequence for this row. Over each of the next 3 double crochet, you're going to make a back post double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook around this double crochet from the back of it. Grab that yarn, pull it around that stitch, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops. So that's the first one made. You need 3 of those. So that's 2. And that is 3. Into each of the next 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet. You'll now start repeating from these 3 back posts. You're going to make a back post double crochet over each of the next 3 stitches. And to each of the next 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet. Over each of the next 3 stitches, make 1 back post double crochet. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 2 stitches and then some chains over here. These chains are going to count as a double crochet, so you're going to act like you have 3 stitches left. You're going to work 1 single crochet into each of those stitches. Then into those chains at the end of this row, you're going to work 1 single crochet into the top of those to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, make 1 chain. Work 1 single crochet into each of the first 3 stitches. So row 4 is going to be similar to row 2, where we made those back post double crochet stitches. This one's going to be a little different. We're going to be working our new back post stitches over the ones that we had made. So over this last row, this third row we had just done, into these back posts down here, 2 rows down. So you're going to do the same thing. It's going to be the next 3 stitches, but you're going to be working your back post over this one right here, and that's 2 rows down. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So this is how it looks from this side, and then this is how it's going to look on this side. They are going to connect. So then you're going to make the same sequence, 3 single crochet, 1 into each of the next 3 stitches, one back post double crochet over each of the next 3, skipping this single crochet row we just made, and they're going to be made into the back post from 2 rows down. One single crochet into each of the next 3 stitches, one back post double crochet over each of the next 3 from 2 rows down, you're going to have 3 stitches left. Work 1 single crochet into each of those last 3 stitches to complete this row. So this is how row 4 is looking from the back. And this is how row 4 will look from the front of your work. You would now alternate between rows 3 and 4 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the easy cable stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.